introduce you to Piccolo. First I'm going to show you what is inside Piccolo. Let's open the bottom drawer. This is where we're going to make the heat. Inside we have put a few pieces of charcoal because we think charcoal will be the best to bake our pizza today. Then the top drawer, you will see there is a ceramic stone inside. It's a loose stone, so you can take it out. Inside is holes. So basically this oven will work like a conventional oven. So the heat will go right through there and your pizza will cook inside. On top, if I close the doors quickly, on top you will find a thermometer. And then we have our flue pipe where the smoke is going through. Also, what you do get with this oven is a pizza cutter, and also you're going to have this pizza spade, a loose stone. You can take it out. If you look inside the oven, you will see there is 4 holes inside, so you don't need to rotate the pizza. I'm just going to add charcoal inside and 3 small pieces of wood just to start the fire.
Oversized fire just to illustrate the 4 cavities that we got on the 4 corners. So that will help you not to rotate your pizza. You can just keep the pizza down in one spot and it will be cooked thoroughly on all sides. It's way past where it should be. You should be at 180, maybe even 160 degrees, and that should be enough. And then you can close the door. That will take down the speed as well. Just keep it open in the beginning just so you can draw some air there.
Okay, so the oven has reached its perfect temperature now. It is saying 150 degrees, but we know that on top and inside won't be the same temperature. So when it says 150 degrees, it will be around 180. This whole oven is very hot. Don't burn yourself, don't touch your oven.